everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Today is the third video in the series where I'm taking some of my favorite things to upcycle, like jeans, old lady pants, men's dress shirts, and I'm combining them all into the most amazing summer wardrobe. And if you missed the videos before this, definitely click that I at the end so you can go back and watch, because you don't want to miss those videos. They were amazing. And today we're making some really super cute frilly striped shorts, and I'm so excited about these. There's a few pairs, you don't want to miss it. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I see these stretchy waist denim like pants at the thrift store all the time, and I call them old lady pants because I mostly see older ladies wearing them, but I think in the heat of summer we all want to be comfortable like this, right? So let's make these pants super cute for the summer, and we're gonna start off really easy. First, I'm gonna add a pin just a couple inches past my knee. Then I'll lay the pants in half and cut them across right at the pin. Then I'll cut off the hem of the extra pieces, fold them in half and cut them. Then cut them open. And so I'll have 2 strips for each leg. Then I'll sew them together along the ends to make a loop. And I'll gather the top edge. Now I'll lay each loop over the end of the pants leg good side to good side and pull the threads to gather it enough to both be the same width. Then I'll sew that to the end of the pants leg and then hem the bottom edge. Lastly, I like to top stitch my seam flat so it'll look nice and finished. And that's it for those. You'll see me style all of these at the end, and I'll show you another pair like these but a little bit shorter. Okay, now it's time to take it to the next level. Let's amp this ruffle thing up a bit and really let them have it. I'm gonna put on the tan pair and add a pin to make these shorts. Next, I'll cut them off at the pin. Then I'll cut one pants leg open and cut 4 4-inch strips from it. 2 strips will be sewn together for one leg and the other 2 will be for the other leg. So you only need to use one of the extra legs for this tutorial. Next, I'll lay them all together and cut one end at a curve. And I'll sew 2 of them together at the other end and sew the other 2 at the end as well. Once those are sewn together, add a gathering stitch on the edge without the curve. Now, pin them down to the end of the shorts so that you have an extra piece that can overlap on the side. Sew down the first layer to the edge of the shorts, then keep that overlap part flipped up and sew it down. Next, you'll fold it down and top stitch it flat like this. And I'm actually going to let the edge of this ruffle fray a bit, so we're done. Alright, lastly, let's make a pair of super cute paper bag waist shorts. I'm going to add a pin at the length I want them to be cut off and once again cut them off. I'm adding the pin to the back of these because I don't want my booty to be out. But even when you add the pin, if it looks like it's going to be too short, just cut it longer and then try them on again, because if I had to cut these at the pin, all my goodies would have been out. So I'm super glad I was cautious with this one. Okay, so I'm going to cut off the hem of these plus another inch at the bottom of each leg. We're going to add those pieces to the waistband. Then we'll cut about 6 4-inch strips from the excess legs to make a belt. And we'll cut a 1-inch strip for the belt loops. First, I'm going to pin the old hem to the waistband at the front, back, and side. This will let me know how much I need to stretch while I'm sewing. I'm going to sew it down and stretch at the same time so that it'll still stretch enough for me to get into them afterwards. Next, I'll take my 1-inch belt loop strip and fold it in thirds. I'll sew it down along the first edge, then fold it over again and sew down the last edge. Now we can sew all our belt strips together to make one long strip. We'll fold it in half and sew down one end and the whole side. Then we can pull that right side out, iron it flat, fold the end inside and sew it closed. Now I'll take my belt loop and fold it in half and cut it. Then I'll fold each of those 2 in half and cut them as well, so that now I have 4 belt loops. Then I'll fold each under and sew down the belt loops on the waistband, 2 in front and 2 in the back. And lastly, I'm going to let these fray as well, but I don't want my fray to get out of control. So I add a stitch along the edge to keep the fray from going up too far. And that's it for those. Okay, so in my head, this first pair is perfect to wear with a swimsuit to a rooftop pool party or something like that. So I definitely got to find me one of those to go to. And this style is also super cute at a slightly shorter length like these. And I love how these turned out with the ruffle overlapped on the side. And this white blouse from last week's tutorial is linked above. And last but certainly not least are the paper bag waist shorts. I love these and I know that they're gonna get so much wear for this summer. I'm so hoping that YouTube will turn my comments back on soon, so give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what I do next. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.